If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Hello and welcome to Flowers Kitchen. And today I am making a babycorn pea curry which is little sweet and sour, and it's one of the simple recipes you can try. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need to make the babycorn pea curry are about 200 grams of babycorn which are cut into 1-inch long portions, then finely chopped 1 large onion, then half a cup of yogurt, 1/3 cup of green peas, 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, a pinch of Asafoetida or Hing, around 2 chopped green chillies, and some salt to taste. Now take lots of water in a pan and bring that to a boil. Then add some salt and all the babycorn, and let it boil for at least 5 to 6 minutes or until they are almost done. Then remove them from the water. Then in the same pan or in another pan, after throwing away the water, take some oil and first add the cumin seeds. Wait for a few seconds till they start to pop. Then after that add the ginger and garlic paste, Asafoetida or Hing, and the chopped green chillies, and saute this for about a minute. And the Hing is one of the important ingredients in the Indian cuisine. You may not feel it's there in some recipes, but if you skip this, you will not get the aroma. And it's mostly used where there are too much of spices, salt, else in savory dishes. So after a minute, add all the onion and saute them for a minute. Then add the turmeric powder, black pepper powder, and some salt to taste. Now keep in mind, we have already added the salt to the babycorn, so add the salt only for the gravy and the green peas. So after roasting the spices for about a few seconds, add around half a cup of water and bring that to a boil. Now remember, if you are using frozen peas, then at this stage you can add a little more water and add the peas. But if you are using fresh peas just like this, then half a cup of water will be enough. So just boil these for about a minute and then beat the yogurt with a spoon before adding that, so it will prevent the curdly texture. So reduce the flame to medium to low, then add the yogurt and combine it really well. And now you have two choices. First, you can reduce the gravy, then add the babycorn, else add the babycorn and simmer this for about 4-5 minutes until it's reduced. So that's it, a sweet and sour babycorn pea curry. Do try this at home and say your experience in the comment section below. And remember, don't just eat to live, live to eat. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.